Hello and welcome back to another Luminos Consulting and Productions informational session on social networking. This session is going to be on status updates and posting links on Facebook. So there's a lot of different factors that come into play when you're posting a variety of things on Facebook. As you can see, when you're on your wall, by default, you'll have status update is the first thing highlighted, and that would be for text. So you can insert text in there. If you do put a link in there, it will pop up and it will sometimes show you the link, but it's not quite as pretty as if you do it the right way. So I'm just going to go over some of the basics of how links get posted. So what I've got opened up in the background here is a ComTV video, which was for the Esplanade Sesame Street production there. So just press play and show you that. So that was going on this summer. So if we wanted to post that video right on the wall, what we need is the unique link to this video. So first way you can grab it is just up at the top bar there, just copy that URL from the YouTube video. Then head back over to your Facebook page, and we're going to click on link because it's a link that we want to post here. You know that it's a link because it starts with HTTP, www. So basically those are different sites on the internet with a variety of content. So we press the attach button and it's going to show us this all the information that it's pulled from YouTube there. So you've got your thumbnail of your video. Sometimes you'll have the selection available to pick through different thumbnails there. On most YouTube videos, it's just going to provide you one. You'll see that when you hold your mouse over the text boxes it's created, they turn yellow. They're highlighted. That means that you can change them. So if we wanted to change the wording of this, we could just highlight that, and then it becomes something we can edit. Just make it say just the Esplanade. And of course you can change the text down there. You also have the option of actually let's see, selecting how big the box is that you can put your text in there. So fill up that with the text that you want and then just click outside. And then down at the bottom you have another field which is your comment on that link. So in this location we might just put an invitation to that particular show. So I'm just going to put in come buy your tickets. Just something simple, but of course you want to try and be as engaging as possible. If there's any kind of question you can ask, maybe you can ask them who's your favorite Elmo, who's your favorite Sesame Street character, something like that. Always try and be engaging with your users. That's really the best way to make any kind of post, whether you're posting a video or just a status update. Try to be engaging. So post that and you'll see what we have here is a post that somebody can like, comment, or share. Has the thumbnail there, all the information that we've been able to put in, and our comment is right up at the top now. So that comment field box starts out at the bottom where you make your comment after it's posted, goes right above the video. So you can click anywhere in this thumbnail box here and it will pop open the video and play it right on the wall. Now, posting a video on the wall is something that's going to be very useful for attracting new people to the page. When somebody comes to the page and they see that there's multimedia content there, it's going to be a much more attractive page for them to stick around on and hopefully click like on. The next thing that I wanted to show was something called Bitly. This is going to help track all the various things that you would post on your wall. So associated with posting a link, whether it would be a YouTube link or maybe it's a link out to the Esplanade's web page to a certain page on there. I'm going to show you something here. We're going to open up another page here. Just a tix.ca page. So there's a variety of things going on. Let's say we just wanted the first one here, Sound of Music. And when we clicked on Sound of Music, it added some stuff here. So it says tix.ca/eventperformances.asp?EVT364. So it's become a little bit of a longer sort of string now that leads you just back to this Sound of Music page on tix.ca. So what I'm going to recommend is opening up another page here and go to the website bit.ly. Now I've already got an account, so you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff popping up down below here where I've shortened other URLs to track them. But what I'm taking is this back over to Tix Central. I'm going to copy this tix.ca/event performances event number 364, and then when I put that in here and paste it into bit.ly.com or bit.ly, it's given me a short URL. I can go down here and just press the copy button, and it'll copy that. So it says SB9WOA. It's taken that and it's shortened it for me. Now what I'm going to do is head back over to the page here where we were posting our links. I'm going to post another link. Paste that in. So we have bit.ly instead of the whole Esplanade page thing. But that's still going to grab all the information from the Esplanade page. So we can go through and find the Sound of Music. We could change this from Tix Central to Sound of Music. Purchase tickets online, and then once again something to engage the users with. If there's there's a great soundtrack there, so maybe we'll just ask them favorite song from this performance, something like that. Oh, this is spelling there, so favorite. There we go. So if we're posting that, it's going to use the bit.ly link that we provided, but it's still going to take us through to the same place. So when you see this link here, we can click Sound of Music. It does a little bit of working, and then it takes us through to the Sound of Music page that we wanted there. I'm going to go back to my bit.ly page to show you what is going on here. So when I reload, let's see. That bit.ly link should be in here. Tix Central. There it is. So this Tix Central link right here, it says 2 out of the 2 times that bit.ly link has been clicked was in my account here. So of course, if you make a bit.ly link, you can share it in a lot of different locations. You could make multiple links. You could share one on Twitter and one on Facebook to see how they do. But this is really just an initial way to really start the basics of tracking what your links are doing on Facebook. So, and now it's very useful because it gives you that shorter URL there. It's a lot easier to post in a Twitter update. If your Twitter goes through onto your Facebook, then those will stay linked. So that's something that's pretty useful for you to be able to see what your link posting is doing back on your Facebook page here. So you can see, for instance, out of how many times that video was viewed total, how many times was it sought out from your Facebook page, and this is information that will help justify what you're doing on Facebook there, of course, because this is becoming an important way to get your information out, and to be able to track that and prove that to the people that matter is very important. So we're going to call that link posting and bit.ly for Facebook. So now you should be able to post your videos properly. If you have any issues posting those videos, for instance, if the thumbnail doesn't show up, I'd recommend just going over and using that bit.ly link, because sometimes that'll solve the problem. So thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, of course, email tom@comtv.ca. Luminos Consulting and Productions is proud to serve the city of Medicine Hat and help out with all of the social networking that has to go on here. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.